Hello guys, today I have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 5G phone and I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the battery drain on this device. So actually, let's start with opening the settings of our device. Once you're in the settings over here, if you tap this gear icon, you can find the battery over here. If you scroll even further here with this yellow icon, tap it. Now, as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see the battery drain by app. Here, if you do have some application you don't know, you don't recognize, uninstall this application. Tap here, uninstall. This is actually the Google Play Store, so we can uninstall it. Same with System Launcher, Upvote, Google Get Apps. These are all these system built-in applications. You can uninstall them. But for example, if you want to uninstall some application you don't recognize, you can just scroll and uninstall. Of course, don't uninstall the system applications like this. You can't, but if there will be any bug, don't do so. But that's it here. As for the applications that may be high battery draining, if you do see at the top TikTok, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, every other application you rarely use, but you do have here, or just not rarely use, just use much, you have to tap this application, and as you can see here, you have battery saver. And maybe don't use the Google Play Store, but here, if you do use your TikTok a lot, I do recommend not using TikTok a lot to prevent the battery drain, because this is mostly the issue. But if you are not using this application that is here at the top, for example, these top 6 applications, if you don't really use these applications, for example, these are the social media applications or just games, or maybe some other applications such as, for example, some schedule application, calendar, and any other application, you need to tap, as I said, this application, and here they have battery saver. Now, here as you can see, we do have battery saver, close-ups after 10 minutes of background activity, and restrict background applications. Tap this option over here, restrict background apps. Not this close-ups after 10 minutes, just restrict background apps, and OK. Of course, don't do it on these like Google Play Store or any other applications like that, because this will make your application don't work in the background, don't work in the background, yeah. You won't receive any notifications, you won't just receive anything. Your phone will be just like, without this application, you can just open it and it will work if you open it, but it will maybe work worse or something like that. What is the background activity. There's anything that you can just imagine. So now, as for the applications, that's it. I mean, battery applications. Now we'll go back. Tap apps. Here, as I can see, you would have list of the applications. And here on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 5G, we do have a lot of bloatware. Bloatware are just pre-installed applications like games or any other unusable applications, or just applications that just are useless. As you can see, here they have AliExpress, Amazon Shopping, bloatware, etc. Uninstall this bloatware. Uninstall all these applications you don't use and you don't have on your device built in. Uninstall AliExpress. OK. Scroll down. Here they have, as you can see, Amazon Shopping, Block Blast, Blog Puzzle Guardian, Booking.com, Bubble Shooter and Friends. What do we have even here? Dust Settle, Jewels Blast, LinkedIn, Netflix, OneDrive. We don't really. Yeah, we can uninstall the OneDrive. So I'll install OneDrive. I'll install Opera News maybe. Snake Zone, even Timo, TikTok, TileFan, Wood Blast, Wood Scenery, WPS Office, YouTube Music. Uninstall these applications you don't recognize, or just as listed here. Bloatware, just bloatware. Uninstall these applications. Don't really hesitate. You don't need them, and if you do, you can just reinstall them back again. of course. And now, apart from that, if you do have still the battery drain, you can go to the Play Store and install some battery diagnosis application. Open search and search. Now you need to search for the accu battery and search. From Digibytes, this is this first application with the, as you can see, 10 million downloads and 500,000 and 50,000 reviews. Yes, my English is great. Here, this is this application, and you have to just tap install to have this application installed. And after some time, for example, 3 minutes. I mean, in 3 minutes, this application will be installed. It depends on your internet connection and your phone. Tap open over here. Once the application is opened, here, skip this whole process, tap continue, and now, if you tap continue, you can tap finish. Tap this first pop-up that is here. As you can see, disable post-up activity if unused. Tap here, accu battery, open app settings, app permissions. Here, as you can see, all of our notifications. Here, as you can see, we have other permissions. No, it wasn't in the other permissions. It will be in power permissions. Where is that? Battery. No restrictions. And now, if we go back, we should be done with the permissions. Yes, we are done with the permissions. If you do all these, here, as I can see, we have four sections: charging, discharging, health, and history. Tab, for example, as health. Here, as I can see, if you do see after a week, for example, of charging and discharging your device, that you do have some bad battery capacity, just go with your phone to the authorized service and have it repaired. If you have bought your device new, because this device is new for the 3rd of January 2026. So, if you have bought your phone like brand new, you can just go to the authorized service and have it repaired for free. Of course, you have to remember that the warranty is 2 years. I mean, I think so. 2 years, it depends on the region, but 2 years is a standard, and after these 2 years, you won't have the permission to have it fixed for free. You will have to just pay for that. The same is in the discharging. Check if you do have here some red things. If you see here any red things, go to the authorized service and have your phone fixed again. The same is with the charging. You have to just spend, for example, a week, 2 weeks, charging and discharging your device and checking for anything like that. That could be red, that could be not working, etc. Now, apart from this accu battery application, you can restart your device. Hold the volume up and power and move this white dot to reboot. Now your phone will be rebooted, and of course reboot is a thing that you probably have done, but this is recommended to reboot your phone from time to time, so any glitches or any hardware issues could be fixed. And if it doesn't fix your issue, you need to just contact and go to the authorized company service, because you may have some overheating issues, you may have some battery issues, and no matter if you diagnose something or not, and you still have this battery drain and you still don't see these applications in the list, you may have some viruses or something like that. You just have to go to the authorized service and have it fixed. But of course, before this whole process, do a backup of your all photos, of your all things that you have on your device, to have just your data, because they'll probably erase all of it. So go to the authorized company service, have your phone fixed, probably for free. Don't let you pay, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. If you have any questions or any comments on this video, leave them in the comment section down below. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.